Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the phone is updated and a secure lock is set, because fingerprint data ties to that lock. This protects your profile. Once in settings, navigate to biometrics and security, then fingerprints. You'll be prompted to confirm your PIN, pattern, or password. Do that now. Make sure your finger is dry and the sensor area is clean. If you have a case or protector, remove it temporarily. This avoids failed scans during enrollment. You'll now capture the fingerprint by lifting and placing the same finger as directed. Do this slowly and deliberately, because consistent contact improves recognition. As you go, vary the angle and pressure, include edges and the pad, so the algorithm learns different contact points. Once done with the primary finger, consider enrolling a second finger or the same finger with a slightly different position. Keep an eye on progress. The system shows how complete the scan is, and you can retry any step that looks weak. Finish by enabling fingerprint use across device features, unlocking, Samsung Pay, and Secure Folder, so it's practical right away. Once enabled, test unlocking 5 to 10 times using your usual grip and alternate grips. This confirms reliability in real use. If you see misses, re-enroll the finger with slight variations or delete the fingerprint and start fresh. Often a dirty sensor, wet finger, or protector causes issues. If problems persist, restart the phone and run enrollment again. That often clears sensor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.